Hello, my name is Virginia. I am a project manager at BAA. Thank you for joining this webinar. Type rating training programs include 32 flight hours in a full flight simulator. During each session, pilots are taught not only how to operate an aircraft, but also how to deal with emergency situations and unusual settings. This time you will have a great opportunity to see and analyze lack of fuel situations. What are the main facts? What situations are the most common ones and how they can be resolved? But firstly, let's start by revealing some interesting facts about jet fuel consumption. Do you know that Boeing 747 uses approximately 1 gallon of fuel every second? Short flights produce much higher emissions per mile or kilometer flown than longer flights do, because a large share of emission is produced at takeoff, regardless the length of the flight. During takeoff, a jumbo jet can devour 2 million liters of air per second. In general, improvements in aircraft fuel efficiency are one of the most important designing parameters to aircraft designers and the market, because worldwide flights produce 676 million tons of CO2 in 2011. As you are already familiar with some of the facts about aviation fuel, let's move on to the cockpit, where our student, Povila Sampranas, will show you how to deal with lack of fuel situations. The first situation is about losing fuel from the left tank. So let's see how we will solve this problem.
Hey, look at this. It looks like we're losing fuel from the left fuel tank. Could you confirm that?
Oh yes, absolutely. It looks like either tank damage or engine fuel leak.
I hope it's not fuel tank damage. Read please courage. Fuel leak engine section.
Fuel leak engine section.
That's right. About 12. My controls or my communication.
You have controls, you have communications. Fuel leak engine. A diversion may be needed.
Yep.
Main tank fuel pump switches all on. Crossfeed selector closed. Center fuel pumps switches off. Record the main tank fuel quantities and the current time. It is 16:20 and we have 3260 and 3940. Checked. An engine fuel leak is confirmed if one or both of the following are true. Fuel spray is observed. We cannot see it.
Yes.
And a change in fuel imbalance of 500 pounds within 30 minutes or less.
More, even more.
That is even more, currently at almost 900
Almost 1
kilograms. Choose one. Engine fuel leak is confirmed.
Confirmed, definitely confirmed.
Definitely. Step 11. The following steps shut down the engine to stop an engine fuel leak. The engine to be shut down is the engine on the side where the fuel quantity decreased faster. So that is engine number 1.
Yes. Left.
Auto throttle, disengage.
Disengaged.
Thrust lever of the affected engine, close.
Okay. Closing engine number 1.
Confirm.
Closed.
Engine start lever number 1, cut off. Confirm.
Confirmed number 1. Cut off.
Engine is pulling down.
Yes.
Back switch affected side, left back off. And APU is not available for start, I suppose. We're above flight level 250.
Autopilot off.
Autopilot disconnect.
Manual flight.
Checked. Transponder mode selector. T only. Minimal fuel condition does not exist. Crossfeed selector goes to open. Fuel pump switches all on. Plan to land at the nearest suitable airport. I should probably call the ATC
Yes,
now.
we call this please. The emergency.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. BA 737 is at flight level 280. We have fuel leak and engine shutdown. Request descent and diversion to the nearest airfield.
BA 737, turn heading 080 and descend flight level 100. I will call you back.
Roger, mayday BA 737, turning heading 080 and descending flight level 100.
Level change mode.
Level change.
Okay. The heading mode selector.
Heading select.
Thank you. That's it.
Negative, we have a little bit more left. If wing anti-ice is needed, we don't need it.
No needed, definitely.
And again, plan to land at the nearest suitable airport. Go to the one engine in operative landing checklist on page 726.
Okay.
The situation is successfully solved. Another situation appears due to unexpected damage in a fuel tank, which causes fuel misbalance. Let's watch it.
Master caution fuel. Captain, we have low pressure for the right fuel tank.
Crossfeed open and right pumps off.
Crossfeed open and the right pumps go to off.
It looks like we are basically empty on the right fuel tank.
And it's reducing.
Yeah, it's reduced, so it could be a fuel tank damage on the right wing. Read please courage, fuel pump low pressure.
Okay, QRH, fuel pump low pressure.
It's possible as well. It should be around 12.8.
12.8. Fuel pump low pressure. One main tank fuel pump low pressure light is illuminated. Main tank fuel pump switch, affected pump off.
Already off, yes.
They're both off.
Correct.
Next, crossfeed selector is open. Center fuel pump switch, we don't have any fuel there, and fuel pump low pressure checklist is complete.
Yes, it's complete now. Advise ATC when ready.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. BA 737 is at flight level 270. We have possible tank damage. Request diversion to the nearest airfield.
BA 737, turn heading 080 and descend flight level 100. I will call you back in a few minutes.
Turning right to heading 080 and descending flight level 100, BA 737.
Sure. Heading mode and level change mode.
Heading select and level change.
Thank you. Man of flight, no control.
Checked.
It looks like our left wing is definitely heavier now, so we will need to apply few corrections on ailerons and rudder.
Checked.
The final video we want to show you is about a fuel quantity indication system failure.
Captain, I have done fuel calculation and I think that the indication doesn't go with the fuel figure I got.
Are you sure? Could you recalculate it? Maybe just a mistake of calculation.
Oh, okay, I can try to recalculate it, but I don't know.
Okay.
And I think that, look at the indicators, they seem to be
Yeah,
stuck.
they're like frozen.
Yes.
So maybe it's just an indication or gauge malfunction, you know.
I don't even
Anyway,
know.
we're approaching our airport, so we can continue our approach
Okay.
because I guess we have plenty of fuel to make it.
Yes, we should still land with 2.5 tons available.
Okay, so call ATC, please. We're ready for our last approach.
VA 737 30 miles out, request descent for ILS approach.
BA 737, expect standard hold over Victor November Oscar VOR due to traffic for at least 15 minutes.
Standard hold over Victor November Oscar BA 737.
BA 737, you are cleared to enter standard holding over Victor November Oscar at 6,000 feet.
BA 737 is cleared to enter standard holding over Victor November Oscar 6,000 feet.
6,000 feet.
6,000 and level change mode, please.
Level change, speed 250.
Thank you.
And we have a hold here.
Yes, hold over Victor November Oscar. Yeah, I hope we will be clear to continue approach soon because I don't like this mysterious situation with the fuel at all. I don't like it.
Well, neither do I, but according to my calculations, we can still easily hold for 20 minutes.
Yeah, but we cannot risk, yeah.
Yes.
We're lower, our consumption is higher. You know what? Ask please ATC for priority due to fuel because we cannot stay here any longer.
Okay.
We cannot risk.
BA 737, request priority for landing. We have a problem with the fuel. Our fuel indicators are stuck and we are getting low.
Roger that, turn left heading 200, descend 2,700 feet, QNH 1025. Expect ILS Cat 2 approach, runway 02.
Turn left heading 200, descend 2,700 feet by QNH 1025. And we will be expecting Category 2 approach, runway 02, BA 737. Thank you.
QNH 1025.
Cross-checked. Yes, at last we will
Passing
continue.
6,000 now.
Check.
Lack of fuel situations are not the most pleasant ones to be dealt with while flying from point A to B. However, it can happen, and it's always better to be prepared and know how to deal with those situations. We hope that during our webinar you have learned something new. Thanks for watching and spending your time with us. Let's meet again in upcoming webinars. We have got more interesting topics prepared. Take care and bye.